So because of all these recent thunderstorms and it going from hot to cold to hot to cold, I have such a sore throat. And in this video, I wanted to show you what I do to soothe it. It doesn't cure it. I mean, it might, I don't know. But it's the way that I, like, daily, 4 times a day, make my throat feel a little bit more bearable, just because I'm sure, even though it's summer in Australia, I can't possibly be the only one who gets sick in summer. And it's awful because you can't just like curl up and fall asleep because it's so hot. So I thought I'd show you guys the best way that I get rid of it. It's a little bit different. It's not, the ingredients aren't different, but maybe the process of how I do it is a little bit different. Alright, so what you guys just saw me make is essentially what, once it sits in the fridge for about an hour maybe, will become like a lemon, ginger and honey. It's almost like a jelly. I don't really know how to describe it, but I know lemon, ginger and honey are really good for tea. I only like it fresh. I think the ginger is too strong in, like, ginger that just comes in tea bags. So I really like doing it all fresh, but it's hard because, I don't know, the tea just goes cold so quickly, so you have to drink it so fast, but then it's so strong and there's like all these different variables. But what I have in the fridge is essentially this, it kind of like marinates the lemon and whatever, and the honey becomes like a lemon and ginger flavor. And then from that, you sort of just scoop out a little bit of that honey and mix it into your tea, or if you want, you just take out a piece of lemon and put it in your tea, but it's all infused in the flavors. So it lasts ages, and you can buy, what did I buy, 2-3 lemons, and that will last me maybe 2 weeks or something like that. So usually the lemons are like not as fresh by then, but when you do this, they kind of just get the flavors infused and then you can keep using them. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Let me know if you do this, because I'd love to know if it works for anybody else. And let me know if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon.